Hello yogis and welcome to the Yogic Body. My name is Jessica Palmer, owner and creator of the Yogic Body online and in studio, and I'm joining you today online from the studio for a little juicy bedtime routine. So join me here for a little yoga practice to get us nice and cozy, to pull the covers up and rest easy. Yogis, you're going to need a pillow for this one, and really, that's all she wrote. I'll see you on the mat or in bed. Hey yogis, we're going to start class today in a comfortable seat, whether that is laying in bed or on your floor on your mat. Just join me here, crisscrossing your ankles. You're also welcome to prop your knees up here with blocks or pillows or blankets if you feel that the hips aren't open enough for you to drop your knees down. So find a comfortable position here, easy seated pose to begin. And we're just going to begin first by taking seated cat-cow. So chest pulls forward, inhale, look up. Exhale, shoulders to ears, scrunching your back to the back wall. Inhale, look up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, look up. Two more. Exhale, cat pose. One more, inhale, look up. And exhale, join me here as either you just find cat pose, dropping chin to chest, or you find a forward fold, reaching your palms out far in front of you, letting your forehead, forearms hover here atop the mat, atop your bed. One more deep breath. And join me again as you walk your palms back to your hips. Just scooping your chest forward to the left, so both palms to the knees. Chest forward to the left and back, over to the right and back, left, back, right, back. You're welcome to take full circles here or continue semicircles, yogi's choice. Moving out the kinks, getting some movement to the spine. One more breath. Come on back through to center, shoulders over hips. And join me as you crisscross, a little yoga for the brain, opposite shin over opposite calf. And again, join me here 4 rounds of cat-cow. Chest forward, inhale. Exhale, shoulders to ears. 3 more. 2 more. One final big baby back bend, inhale. And exhale either to cat pose or your forward fold. Walk your palms out long, chin to chest. 2 deep inhales. Walking your palms back to your hips, scooping your chest, left, right, back to the left, right, and put a little rhythm here in your step. Chest forward, back, side to side. One more deep inhale. Back through to center here. And yogis, you don't have to humor me for long, so you can always readjust your legs here if it feels a little funky. Yoga for the brain isn't always fun. But join me now as we find eagle arms, some love to the shoulders. Goal posting your arms here out in front. Right arm under left. Plan A, palms to shoulders. And plan B, palms to touch. Wherever you are, elbows up, forearms away. 2 deep inhales. One more breath. Gently unwind, placing your palms on your knees, right ear to a hover atop right shoulder. Option to look down to right shoulder here. 2 deep inhales. Come on back through to center, eagle arms on the opposite side, left arm under right. Find your variation here, 2 rounds of breath. Slowly unwind, palms to the knees, left ear to a hover atop left shoulder. Option even to look down toward left shoulder. One more breath. And join me now as you gently rock your head side to side. Option with control here to find full circles, neck circles. Again, just ironing out the kinks. One deep round of breath. Back through to center here. Just a little more love to the neck. So yogis, you're always welcome to find a previous pose that we've done, maybe something that you love out of your practice here from seated to work on over these next few moments. What I love to do, maybe if I'm feeling a little under the weather even, or like I'm feeling like I know I just won't be able to get to bed, I like to just do nothing sexy about it, a little self-massage here. Join me here as you just guide your fingers here to the backs of your neck and your thumbs now to the front of your neck. And just begin to take a light massage here to the neck, shoulders, maybe even just one palm to one side, as firm, as light as you need, maybe a palm to the opposite side. You're welcome even to knead your thumbs here down the sides of your neck. Maybe even guiding your palms here to your arms, down to the wrists. A little hand massage here. Just one more moment, yogi's choice. Could even be just your palms to your low back as well, to your temples, to your brow, to your jaw. Three more deep inhales. Really the intention here is just to send a little TLC, a little tender loving care. And join me as you just scrunch everything together. So shoulders over hips, scrunch your ears and shoulders together. Maybe even scrunch your face. Can you believe I'm doing this on camera? Yes, I am, for you. Just scrunch everything together, even making fists here. And then release everything down. Yogis, we're going to come to reclined. So have your pillow handy here back behind you. Resting your low back here atop your pillow. Hips to the bed, to the mat. Reclining back onto your pillow now. Bringing your chin as best you can to neutral and bringing the soles of your feet together here. Butterfly pose. And you're welcome now to bring one hand to your heart, one to your belly, maybe both palms to the hips or palms face up at your sides. But join me here as we just come into one part of our focused practice. So often we consider a 3-part to a focused practice. We consider our drishti, our focal point, but you're welcome to keep your eyes closed. We consider our breath, a deep inhale and exhale, to be part of our focused practice, and that's true. So keep your breath here with you today. Deep inhale, exhale. And a third part to our focused practice is a mantra of your choosing. So a phrase, maybe a series of words, a sentence, an I am statement even. And today I urge you to consider here before bed, during this relaxing practice here, connect to this word restful. So instead of saying, I will rest, I plan to go to sleep, right? Extra brownie points here, considering it's done. So, I am restful. I am sound asleep. And with every breath out, just imagine here, almost like magnets, pulling your eyes shut, your eyelids shut with every exhale. With every inhale, connecting to this I am statement or this word, restful. 3 more deep rounds of breath. Relax your jaw. Unfurrow your brow. Let your shoulders rest easy. Let your low back release and soften here. Away from the pillow, supported by the bed, the mat beneath you. Big, deep inhale here. I am. Exhale, restful. On your next breath, just join me here as you guide your knees back together. First, guiding your left leg out straight, keeping your right knee bent. Taking a gentle twist here as you just drop, so shoulders don't have to move. Just drop right knee over to the left, a super gentle twist. Coming back through to center as you plant both feet here on the mat, the bed beneath you. Release right leg long. Take the most gentle twist ever as left knee drops over to the right. Letting maybe top and bottom sets of teeth fall away from one another as your lips gently part. One more breath. Come on back through to center here. Both soles of your feet onto the mat. Any and all final movement that you need here to end or seal your practice before you just come to a reclined position, preparing for bed, you're welcome to take that now. So maybe you really need a little more action for the hips. You can come into reclined figure 4, taking even a peek at the video if you'd like. But yogis, you might even want a happy baby or reclined eagle arms for a little more shoulder love. But yogis, I'm going to release my legs out long. Yogis, settle on into a deep breath. A complete exhale. Finding your word or phrase here now as you just begin to slowly unwind. I am restful. I am supported. I am sleepy. Thank you, yogis, for joining me here in this video tonight. And would you believe I've never ended a video like this? Good night, yogis.